Cleaning air filter. At first, turn off the AC power and unplug the power cord. There are two types to disassemble the filter. It can be different from model to model. Use two hands at front side and pull it with both the hands. Hold the knob of the air filter, lift it up slightly. After taking out the air filter, clean it with water or soft brush. Fully dry the air filter and avoid it from straight sunlight. If filter is damaged, you should change filter at authorized LG service center. Reinsert the air filter and close the front panel. Check if the indoor unit surface is dirty. Clean panel surface with soft lug or cotton.